Hi, I'm Jess, and this is Intro to Adulthood. Today we're going to be getting gas. So the first thing you do is open your gas tank door, and then grab your gas cap. You're going to push in while turning left, and then you'll hear a loud click and be able to take your gas cap out. Next, you'll put in your debit or credit card if you want to pay at the pump, and select how much gas you want to put into your car. If you want to pay inside, you would just lift the lever, the nozzle for gas, and then be able to start pumping from there, and then pay afterwards. So once you've paid, then you can lift the nozzle and select what kind of gas you want to put in your car, and put the nozzle inside of the spout that you have just opened with your gas cap, and pull on the handle, and you'll start putting gas in your car. Most cars have an automatic sensor in them, so when the tank is full, it will stop the nozzle from filling, so you don't have to worry about overfilling your car. If you put in an amount of money that is less than the amount of your tank, then obviously the nozzle will stop when you've reached the amount of money. Don't forget to replace your gas cap and turn it so it clicks more than 3 times so it's nice and snug in there, because when it's not snug, it can cause a light to turn on in your car. Then you can choose to get a receipt, and that's it. That's how you get gas. Thanks for watching.